Wow, that is cool.
I always wanted a truck like this.
Right.
So I drew it, and now I built it. There's nothing like the feeling of dragging something home from the weeds and building something that looks like this.
Yeah. Let's see if she'll rock a little. Wow, I love this.
Supposed to come out right now.
Long time no see.
It's 1979 Z28 Camaro, 4-speed posi car. It is a barn find.
Hey Lou, how you doing, buddy? Happy birthday! Hey, wait, what's that behind me?
I don't know. I hear.
What is that?
Oh my God! Look at oh my God!
That's really your Cadillac now. Look at it.
That is absolutely incredible.
There's no rats in there, honey. There's no mice in there. You stay there. What do you think, Anna? Does it look pretty good? So we got the carpet in, gauges, new steering wheel, deluxe heater controls. All the holes are plugged on the dash. New headliner. Does this one pass inspection, honey? Introduce you to Aunt Jamie to an American hero. You got it. Peace out.
Tintin John Gunfire. Buffalo. Buffalo. Buffalo.
Boy, he looked good when he was wet, didn't he? You know what? I think he's gonna wet.
He looks really good with a Teletubby in front of him.
With a what? With a what in front of him? Are you okay? Hey, you're on film right now, you know. A what? What?
You look like a Teletubby.
I have both hands. If I were out in the field working on.
I love you.
Here's my sign. I mean,
I can't look at you.
Classic Truck Rescue. Welcome back to the channel, folks. Today I'm going to load up some tools in my little trailer. I have a group of guests today, and my favorite kind of guests right now are the ones that bring big trailers with them. Trevor's on his way over here. He's going to borrow my car trailer. Got to unload that hay. And we're going to load up the frame off the 57 Chevy short bed that I took apart last week. We're going to load up the frame after we put his uncle's cab on it. And then the group that's here today, one of their three gentlemen, Nick, Kim, and Rick, and one of them just bought the back section of that cab where the big window is. So I'm going to cut that out while they're looking around. Like I said, these trucks that look like they're not worth anything are. You just have to dissect the parts from them. But this is a good thing. I'll be back. It's a busy day on the ranch, folks. Brought that cab up here and I was getting ready to start cutting the back window section out, and I got a text from Trevor. Trevor's here to pick up his frame, and we're gonna put his uncle's cab on it. Also, it just occurred to me, Trevor needs a patch panel for his roof. I believe I can cut Trevor's patch panel out of this piece right here. Let's go let him in. I left my keys in my tractor. Trevor's here. Hi, Trevor. I was just telling Trevor that I sold this big back window section to the gentlemen that are here with that trailer. And here's the good news, Trevor. I'm gonna cut it extra big, like down here and across here. And once I get this whole section off, I'm gonna cut out the little roof section that you need to fix your roof on your uncle's cab.
Heck yeah.
All right, so I gotta do this right now because this is what pays the bills.
Yeah. You need help?
But no, I've got this. I guess there's not much you can do except hang around and wait, because we got to pick up your frame with the tractor, go get your cab with the tractor. Okay. You can't by any chance operate the Kubota, can you?
No, I've never.
Okay.
I've not.
Right.
It's been a long time since I ran.
I need it
So
too dearly to
yeah.
turn a Novus loose with it.
Yeah, I don't want to do that to you.
Okay.
Not today.
All right, well, I'll focus on getting this done.
Okay.
And then we'll get you loaded up real quick, okay?
Whatever's clever.
Wow. Wow. I was expecting that bit to break. I really was. Holy cow. It pulled those out, those screws, without breaking. That's amazing. Oh yeah, I can see with these on. Bonus. Here we go. Okay. Hey, since you guys are back, can I get one of you to hold the other half of this? It's still a little bit attached. Watch your eyes. Yep, and next you're gonna have to watch your eyes because I'm gonna flip her over and go that way.
Do you have any earplugs?
What? What?
What do you? What?
I don't think I do. Sorry.
No, that's okay.
It's good that you're thinking about that at your young age.
Try to.
What? I'm not drunk, I'm just trying to give you as much as I can. Alright, and then if you want to step around the corner, I got a little spot. Oh, maybe you need to be over here. Can you stand there and hold here? Okay. I think you might be loose, guys. You need some gloves, or do you want me to do that? Oh wait, we're hung up here. Oh, I see where.
One little second.
Straight to the truck with it.
Truck?
Oh, wait a minute. You ain't got no gloves on. Give me that. Thank you. Back up a little, Trevor. We'll just set it,
You want to set it on the
let's
edge?
get under it. There we go.
Right in this general area. We'll get it up inside there. I don't
Okay.
know exactly where they want to put it yet.
All right. You don't know what's going yet.
Well, I didn't know I was going to be getting it.
That's a pretty decent back window. Oh, we got to get his... You know what? We're going to leave that like that because I like the way it's protecting that. We got roofs. We got roofs for you.
Okay.
They give you extra meat on the bone. Yeah.
Otherwise, it'll bow out right there. There's a rhyme and reason.
Okay, Trevor. Well, I should probably see if they need anything else.
Deal with them. I'm good. 5 minutes up the road. I'm good.
Up on the mounts? Let me get the... That needs to go forward a little. Probably be best to go around, right?
Well, you say if we can get it down through here, we'll just back the trailer right up to it and pull it on. Might have to pick up that box and do it.
Come on, just pull it and go around.
That works too.
We'll see how it goes.
Thanks.
Oh, just around that triangle right there?
I just don't want to pick up high enough to bend something.
Oh.
Alright, I'll follow you.
Okay. Sounds like a plan.
sound safe at all.
Let me just step away from that.
Okay, now go the other way.
I should have charged you extra for those tires.
Oh yeah. Good on the right rear?
Yeah, we're doing great.
Yeah, we're good there.
Yeah, it looks good back there.
I have a kid that works for the garbage company. I
Yeah.
can get rid of him.
No, good. I need to find a kid like that.
Left rear don't want to turn.
No. Don't look like it. The brake systems on these things were built to lock up. Oh yeah. You want me to come pick the back of that up for you, Trevor? Let me get you some oil, Trevor. Oh, tomfoolery. Look at that, folks. Wow, that is cool.
Part with that one just for the winch?
What?
Part with that front end off of that with, for the winch?
Part with the front end off of it for the winch.
Winch bumper. How do you put a winch in that one? No, it's serious.
He's trying to trick me, isn't he?
I don't know.
Well, I like chrome. That's why I wanted the other one.
Oh,
But that, I think that's the same style bumper, just black.
it is.
That's why I'm gonna ask one here. If not, no.
You're asking for the winch?
Well, I'd buy the bumper with a winch if that's what it takes.
Let me ponder that for a minute while I put this away. Yeah.
It's not gonna tip over.
We'll tip over now. We're gonna tip over.
$400 for the winch with the bumper. Those winches are pretty spendy.
Alright, I'll take a look at it in just a second.
Okay, no pressure. I'd just soon leave it right where it is. And that's with you pulling it out. I will tell you, no, look, I'm good with keeping that.
No pressure.
Also, I need to let you know that the control cables and all that are going to have to be freed up on it and everything. It's not the remote one.
Yeah, I'll look in just a second.
Okay. Trevor, you're getting closer all the time, buddy.
Closer and closer, step by step.
Uncle Truck is almost ready to load. The ramps for that are leaning up against my race car hauler over there, Trevor.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Run one to it. Yep, there you go. How's the front? Unhook me. You are loaded, sir. Oh, grab that light. Holy cow, folks. I wish every day for about a month would be like today. I got rid of a lot of stuff today. I'm sure that if the county watched my channel, this would be their favorite video right here. Thanks for bringing them, Nick. Good guys right there. All right, let's go get Trevor loaded up. It is. I don't know what I did without it.
I saw you pull when I pulled in earlier. You're all fishtailing out of there.
So are you all set?
Pretty much,
buddy.
I just want to load up a bed and.
A bed.
Oh. Yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do about a bed. We can wait on all that stuff. I can.
It'd sure look a lot better with a bed on it.
I've got my 6x12 trailer that I can bring out here too.
Let's come have a look. What was that? That was metal. No? Yeah, that is metal. I don't need to find that with my mower. Oh, sirree. Holy cow, a lot of stuff leaving the classic truck wrench today, huh?
Didn't do bad today, huh?
Yeah, it'll pay a property payment. That blue one's spoken for. It actually goes with that blue cab over there. This one needs a front bed panel, and the tailgate is not going with it because it's a GMC. It's got a step over here. Good bed sides. Got some a couple cross seals under it. What do you say we load that one up?
Okay.
Just to get you a start.
Yeah, at least something decent.
Okay, let's set this one on the ground. If you go on that side, we'll just put it over here. It needs a front bed panel, but I got plenty of those. Oh, those leaves are heavy. Hold on. I ain't taking my back out. That's why God gave me a forklift. Yeah. We're gonna have to get that tailgate off of there.
I can take it off when I get home too. Bring it back to you
All right.
if you want.
Well, that might be easy to get out because I'm seeing fresh
Looks
bolts.
like, yeah, fresh stainless bolts.
Just leave it latched for now while we're transporting it. It depends on the front clip, dash, and doors, Trevor. If you want to take some advice from me, the best thing you can do for your project is to start with the frame, get your engine, tranny, get all that done, because when you have that done, wow, I got the heart of it done. Now I just put the pretty stuff on top. We'll figure that out. It's going to depend on what the condition is. Do you do any fabrication?
Yeah, I got a welder and everything. I'll be able to weld it all up. I'll be able to
Okay.
weld everything.
Yeah, I'll be able to give you a deal because maybe we'll get some fenders that need bottoms on them or something. But right now, we'll just focus on this.
Again, I thought I might try to win her back, but I'm all out of confidence. I'm a little nervous about coming down, and every new heartbreak hurts a little more. First one felt like more than I could take, so I hit the ground running so hard, whittled my soul away. Try to keep my hopes up, but they keep falling down, and every new heartbreak hurts a little more than the last time around. Made a lot of half-hearted mistakes, but I worked so hard on this one. I gave her my everything. Was a losing battle, so I'm laying down, and every new heartbreak hurts a little more. Every new heartbreak hurts a little more than the last time around. And I'll let her go, oh Lord, just let it be the last time around, please. And I'll let her go, oh Lord, this might be the last time around. Last time around, the last time around for me.
never do that again.
Let's take a minute to put a board across that front, and we'll put a couple screws to give it a little rigidity. Also want to get that tailgate off and look around, see if we got one I can put on there just to get you by. For now,
It's Allen heads.
okay. Well, we got Trevor all loaded up. He's got a good start on his uncle's 1959 Chevy. Was it a long bed before?
It was a long step.
Was a long bed, now a short bed Chevy pick 'em up truck. Hey, Trevor, can I get a piece out?
Peace out.
Peace out. Those guys helped me out that got all that other stuff. It'll help get the property cleared up.
One thing at a time.
Yep.
All right, Rick, I'll be back in a little bit.
All right, take your time. Holy cow, they've had me going all day, folks. All day. Trevor's got most of a truck ready to go. They've had me working all day. It's a happy camper right there. All right, Trevor, thanks, buddy. Yep. There he goes with his uncle's truck. Yep, we just built that truck. That's awesome. I'm really happy for Trevor. Today was a very productive day. Got a lot of stuff moved off the property. Got some monies where we can make a ranch payment.